doesn't have any power. So one of the reasons might be the carbon, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the carbon. So I got the new carbon here, carbon brush. That's the model number right there. So for my model is the CV154. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And check it out, it's gone. So you match it with the new one, it's about the same size, so we're good to go. Now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. That is weird. That's totally different from the other ones. So I got this removed from this one. I don't think this is supposed to be in there. And I got the new ones right here. And let's find out if that did the trick. So I'm gonna connect it to the power cord. And let's find out. And check it out. Working like new.